students. So in this lesson we will discuss about the other tools in the drafting module. So for that here the tools are not highlighting. So for that just click on the front view, that is double click on the front view if it is not highlighting, so that the options will be highlighted here. So now we will discuss about the detail views in this class. Okay, so some of the options in this detail views are just click on the arrow mark, you will get some options, just drag it. So these are the details views here. First is the detail view, and next is the detail view, and next is the detail view profile, next is quick detail view, and next is quick detail view profile. So we will learn step by step about these tools. So details views is to get the detailed views of the objects, that is detailed views of the particular area. Okay, so if the suppose the in the drafting some of the areas will be closer to each other, so we want to get the detailed views, that is what are the dimensions between to object or line to line, so that can be seen in the detail views. So in this I want to get some of the details views of this front view or bottom view or any views. Okay, now I'm going to delete some of the views. So just delete the view and right click on delete option, so that it can be deleted, because I need to get some of the detail views here, so I've deleted this views here. Okay, so now click on the detail view option. Now it is asking for the, so here in the status bar you can see the statements about the particular tool. So here it is asking for the select a point or click to define the center circle. Okay, so just I'm making the point here or anywhere in the figure. So just pick the point and just drag the cursor like this. Okay, so just specify the other point, that is a circumference or the radius of the circle. Okay, just pick the point and place a point in the worksheet. Okay, so this area is the detail here. Okay, so this area is detail in this with a scale of 2:1. Okay, so here the text is small, so I'm increasing the text to 7. So here you can see, so this size is small, whereas in detail view the size is enlarged to 2:1. So this is about the first option, that is detail view. Okay, so we need to select the point and drag the circle radius. Okay, so this is about the detail view of the selected space. And next coming to the detail view profile. So here in this we need to draw a profile, so that that profile will be detailed in the view. Okay, so we'll see about this. Just pick the tool, and here only I am making the point, so that you can see the differences between the detail view and the detail view profile. So pick the point. Okay, just draw a profile like this. Okay, and double click. Okay, so just make a profile like this. So here you can see here this one. So as the space is not sufficient, just I'm deleting this isometric view and place this here. You can view these detail views wherever you want in the workspace. So this is the second one, that is the detail view profile. I'm changing this text to 7. So here also the scale is increased to double times. So as the profile are selected like this, so these dotted lines will be also in the same manner. So this is about the detail view profile. So in whichever profile you are drawn, that profile will be displayed in the detail view profile. So this is about the second option. So next is the quick detail view. Okay, so I'm selecting here only, specify the center point, just drag the circle like this. So up to this center point of the circle has selected the point. Okay, so up to some area I have selected the point, so up to that area only the view is displayed. So from center point to this circle end point, so this area will be displayed, and the circle dotted lines will be also displayed in this detail view. So here the name is detail 6 of scale 2:1. If you want, you can increase the text also. And as per the details you have mentioned, in each and every detail it will detail the name also. So this is about the detail A, and here also if you zoom it you can see the detail A. So this detail A is referred to this one, and this detail B is referred to this one, and detail C is referred to this one. So with the names it will represent the detail views. Okay, so if you want you can move the names also aside. So next, last one is about the quick detail view profile. So it is similar to the detail view profile. Okay, so just select this option, specify the point. Just I am drawing a profile like this. In whichever profile you draw, you get a profile like this. So I selected this area. So total this area profile will be displayed here. Okay, so this is about the quick detail view profile. So as per the profile selected, it will display the profile like this. So if you want to if you want to see clear about this last option, just delete this previous. Okay, so I'm selecting this C detail view. So that is quick detail view. So just select it and right click, delete the option. So this is about the, here you can see the complete view about the detail view profile. Okay, quick detail view profile. So this is a profile which you have drawn. Okay, so these lines will be also displayed in this quick detail view profile. Okay, if you want you can increase the text of this profile like this. Okay. So as the sheet size is less, if it is the sheet size is more, we can see the detail views clearly. Okay, so just I am going to sheet properties, and now I'm going to reduce scale is to 1:2. So here you can see the details views clearly. Okay, so this is about the detail A, B, and this is D. So if I want to give the details of quick view profile, just select the point and drag the area like this. Okay, so this is about the details. So like this you will have different detail views options. So this is about the detailing views of the drafting. So coming to other options in this, like auxiliary view, sectional view, and clip in view, we will discuss some more options interestingly in the further classes. Thank you.